Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna make some chocolate muffins. Take 2 cups of flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of powdered sugar, 1/3 cup of baking powder and half a teaspoon salt. Now take all of the ingredients in a bowl. Whisk all of them together. Take 100 grams of melted chocolate and 5 tablespoons of butter. Take butter and chocolate in a bowl. Give them a quick stir. Make sure there are no lumps left behind. Now take 1/3 of milk, 1 egg and some vanilla essence.
कहाँ पे कहीं है मेरा यकीन
Give it a quick mix. Now we have these 3 major ingredients. Now add both of these ingredients. Whisk them properly. Add milk, egg and essence mixture. Stir them properly. Make sure there are no lumps left behind. Take a muffin tin and line them up with some liners. Now pour the batter into the liners. Now it's ready to go in the microwave. Bake them at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 to 22 minutes. Once they're done, it should look something like this.